Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how you can paint with watercolor and water drop. So we will do it in our project. We did it in our flower that I think you watch it. But in a big shape of modeling, I want to show you a big shape of circle. So I draw a huge circle to imagine that this is our water drop. And I want to show you something like this shape, just to imagine that the light is come from this side and then affect on our water drop, and then how much effect on the shadow on the surface. So imagine this is our water drop, and I go with not really big size of the brush. It depends on our water drop, but I go with number 5 brushes, and I choose blue color. It's a cobalt blue, and I add just a line around my circle, and I imagine that this is some part for reflection light, and again here some part for the reflection light. So until 1/3 of my circle, I try to add this blue color, and then clean my brush, control the water with napkin, and try to bring just a bit water into my paint, and let the paint a little bit lighter, get lighter, and help to continue my paint for the whole circle. Again, I back to my blue color. Very clean, I want to paint the contour. So this is the contour. Very gently, I try to add a clean water into it. Clean my brush. Okay, and again, I need a little darker color, like I go with ultramarine French blue. You know that when I want to have a dark color, I need very less water, and when I want to have lighter color, I add more water into my brush. So for this part, I want to have a darker color. Always for water drop, reflection light is from here, and the part that is on the reflection, exactly on toward the light, is darker, and this side it's further off the light, so it's lighter. So our light is come from this side, so this side of my circle should be darker, and I gently continue with nice line around my circle. I need this dark color because we need to show that this is not a flat surface. It should be shows that it's a curvy shape or like a ball. So we need to make it similar ball. When I come forward, here is the darkest part. When it's in the center, it's not really dark, it's something lighter. And then when it comes near the end, should be completely light. So now it's time for the background. I mix my blue with a little brown to reach the grayish color. And I add this gray color for the background. Here should be light because of the reflection of the light, which is from this part, from the top. So I don't add any paint into this part. I add a little bit water to spread everywhere this tone. But we want to show that our water drop is sit on somewhere. Because of that, under the water drop is darker. So I add a little color, darker color here, exactly under my water drop. This darkness helps my circle or water drop, shows that it's like a ball. So even if you think that here on top of my water drop, if it's need more dark color to show that it's more curvy shape, you can gently add a little darker color on top. And this shadow and light help my water drop be visible, the water drop exactly, and the ball shape. Okay, and this is in a really big shape, but you can make it smaller, but always you need to know where is the part of the light and where is the shadow. I imagine here is part of my light. Here the light is come from this side, so everything for the water drop in front of the light should be darker, and here is lighter to shape it like a ball, and under this part should be darker to see something placed here. And yeah, I hope this painting help you to know how to paint water drop for yourself. Thanks for watching.